Build dreams with original will and forge ahead with innovation. Meidegroup follows its heart, focuses on each detail, and accumulates strength connecting the world. Gather strengths to connect the world. Established in 1961, through the development of more than half a century, Meidegroup has become a diversified international enterprise group that focuses on malleable cast iron pipe fitting, grooved fitting, valve, electrical fitting, and ductile iron, and also gives consideration to equity investment. As the leader of the same industry in the world, Meide sticks to the core values of putting users first, taking quality as the life, promoting development with innovation, and reaching win-win with cooperation. Focuses on various sections including design, R&D, production and manufacturing, extends the upstream and downstream industrial chains, and creates high-quality development. It provides safe and reliable products and smart and complete solutions for clients in fluid conveying industry across the globe. As a national high-tech enterprise, model enterprise of single championship, and green manufacturing enterprise, Meide has fully exerted its advantages as the nationally certified enterprise technology center and postdoctoral scientific research workstation, and finished the transformation of production process from mechanization to automation and intelligentization, the transformation of operating management from experience type to institutionalization and process, and the transformation of marketing from selling products to providing solutions. It integrates innovation into blood and quality life. It comprehensively starts the double intelligence strategy and connects intelligent product and intelligent manufacturing to development, promotes the transformation of innovative achievements and productivity, and fully improves the brand chain momentum of Meide. Targeted at diversified development and global configuration, Meide positively brings in international top talents, creates the cross-regional and multi-base international development pattern, and provides the high-quality services for global users. Meide cooperates with international famous partners to jointly set up the world landmarks and realize win-win in the global market. Scanning the world widely, Meide serves as the national backbone. Setting foot in China, Meide undertakes social responsibilities. Meide practices the environment-friendly ideas and conveys the strength of love in the public welfare cause, such as education, urban construction, and poverty alleviation. It keeps making innovations and moving on. Meidegroup shares with employees, realizes win-win with clients, makes progress with the industry, and attains prosperity with the times.
Hello everyone, this is Belinda. I am the Sales Director of Europe. Welcome to Meide Online Show. Today I want to share you something about the applications of our products. You know, our mission is to provide safe and reliable and economic products and solutions to our customers across the world. And the main application of our products is fire, water, gas, and electric and power. And for the electric and power, there are some specific products. Now I will focus on the fire. My colleagues will give you more details of the other applications. For fire, we have UL, FM, VDS, and LPCB pools, which is the most high standard and certificates in the fire protection system. And we are also the only manufacturer who have these 4 certificates altogether. Okay, let's see what's fire and how important our fire protection. For thousands of years, and people, human beings, are struggling together with fire. Fire is useful and helpful. It helps human beings improve. However, sometimes they are really dangerous. It kills our lives and make our property lost. But people are clever enough. We already found some ways to prevent and to stop the fire accidents. Let's see what's the full system in the fire protection. In fire protection, we have different systems, mainly four. The first one is the electrical system, which means it will send signals to the whole system and make alarm people. For example, the alarming system, telephone, and the broadcast. The second one is the fire extinguishing system. The second one is smoke control system. And the last one is the fire linkage equipment. For example, the shuttle door and the fire elevator and the switches, something like that. You noted that I stressed the second one, fire extinguishing system, because it's the most important and the key point, key factor in the fire protection system. It uses water or foam to kill the fire, which is the function of the full system. And in the fire extinguishing system, we have some other spare parts and components, mainly the fire hydrant and the automatic sprinkler, and the pump system and the gas system. Meidegroup products are focused on the first three. That means the fire hydrant and automatic sprinkler system and the pump system. We will give you more details. Okay, for fire hydrant system, from the picture we can see that it's a kind of equipment to convey and provide water. And the first one is indoor, and the second one is outdoor. For indoor, we also have normal pressure and high pressure. And for outdoor, we have overground, underground, and wall type. For fire hydrant system, you can see from the picture that it's a kind of manually operated. Now, the next, coming with the automatic sprinkler system, it's composed of the sprinkler head and alarming valves and the flow inductor and the pipe and fittings and pump system. The function with the sprinkler system is that the sprinkler head, will get high temperature when the fire occurs. So the glasses inside the break, and then it will give signal to a whole system, and the water from the pump will be provided, and then spray from the sprinkler head and kill the fire. For automatic sprinkler system, we also have two types. The first one is closed type and open type. From the examination, imagine that we can imagine that for the closed type, it's mainly used in indoor environment, and for the open type, it's mainly used outdoor environment. For the closed type, we have wet, dry, and pre-action. For the open type, we have deluge and drencher and water spray. Just to give you a simple example to help you to understand. For example, in some commercial buildings or hospitals, we have a lot of valued, expensive devices or facilities inside. So if the water goes directly when there may be fire, and maybe the losses will be very huge. And the closed type, especially the pre-action type, will give people some reaction time, so we can check first if the fire is this or not. So we have time to stop losses. And the third one is the pump system. From the picture, we also can see in the pump system, we have fittings, pipes, valves, and the pump itself. So from the previous introduction, you get a general idea what's the hydraulic system, what's the automatic sprinkler system, what's the pump system in the fire extinguishing system. So what kind of products we can provide? For fittings, we have ductile grooved fittings and couplings, and for also malleable eye threaded fittings, the press fittings, stainless steel, and the flexible hose and the supporters. For the ductile groove fittings and couplings, it's mainly used in large diameter. They are connected by the couplings and so very easily to maintain and clean the pipe system. For the malleable eye threaded fittings, it's mainly used in small diameter. It's very convenient and easy for people to assemble them. Press fittings is a kind of new trend because it's clean and good looking for some commercial buildings, and also very easily to assembly. Will save the labor costs greatly. The flexible hose is more and more popular in the sprinkler system because with the long pipes, flexible pipes, and it can change the position easily instead of by welding, so it's more convenient. And the support system. For valves, we have alarm valves and hydrant indicator and the butterfly valves. All the valves in the fire you can find in Meidegroup. We can provide a one-stop service. For the pipes, the pipe system, we have an indicator. That means some kind of a solution. We cut the pipes and thread them and to give a short solution in the project site. And we also have pipes, and both ERW and spiral welded pipes. The ERW pipes is mainly up to 6-inch small diameter, and the spiral welded pipes is for much larger diameter. For the pipes, we have different kind of connections. For example, the square cut one mainly for welding, and the grooved one for connection with couplings, and the threaded one with thread. And we also have a hose type to connect the sprinkler or the branches. For the finish, we have painted epoxy coating and black and galvanized. Okay, that's some full picture of the fire protection system there and what kind of products we can provide. And thanks for your listening, and I wish you enjoy your time. Thank you.
Hi, all my friends. My name is Denise. I have been working here in Meidegroup casting for almost 10 years. And now I'm currently in charge of the Middle East and the African market. Today, I'm very happy to have this chance to stand here and to meet you guys in this special way. First time in my life. Meidegroup, as a group company, we are manufacturing many different varieties of products. And the mission of our company is to provide safe and reliable products and smart and complete solutions for our clients in fluid conveying industry all across the globe. And today, after many years of development, we are very proud to see that now, Meide, we are capable to offer the full package products for application in fire protection system, for waterworks, for power transmission, and for gas application. Today, my focus is to be simply on waterworks. To understand together with you where our products can be applied in the waterworks system and what products we can offer for application in this field. Waterworks is a broad concept. It in general covers water supply and drainage. It's a complete system with pipelines and equipments made of pipes, fittings, valves, and pumps and the other equipments for the collection of water, for water treatment, and for distribution, and of course, also for sewage and wastewater discharge and disposal. This is an overview for the entire waterworks system. To start from the sources, and then goes to the water plant, and after treatment in the water plant, pumped into the urban pipeline network, and then for supply in the commercial buildings, into the residential buildings, schools, hospitals, plants and factories for production uses. After that, for treatment for wastewater disposal and treatment. See, in all these different sections of the waterworks systems, there's application, there's a chance for application of our products. For example, from the water sources to the water plant, you see, start from the water sources all the way here to the water plant. There's the application of pipes, fittings, and valves. And in the urban pipeline network, of course, as you can see here, there's pipes, fittings, and valves, especially in different pumps rooms, a lot of usage for our valves products. And then in the commercial buildings, in the buildings, residential buildings, the plants, hospitals, schools, these constructions inside the buildings, the pipelines, there's again a wide usage of the pipes, fittings, and valves, like listed here. There's backflow preventer, flexible joint, check valves, butterfly valves or gate valves, strainers, again, butterfly valves or gate valves, air valves, valves, pressure reducing valves, valves. See, there's extensive usage for all the pipes, fittings, and valves. So to summarize, what kind of fittings or what kind of products we're capable to offer for the waterworks system. So start first from our traditional products, the Meidegroup ice-threaded fittings. Many friends know that Meide Casting is a large manufacturer for Meidegroup ice-threaded fittings, the largest supplier, the largest manufacturer for Meidegroup ice-threaded fittings. But there's, I think, only part of our customers know that we are actually producing the plastic-lined Meidegroup ice-threaded fittings for the drinking water supply. And same for the grooved fittings couplings. We're now capable also to supply the plastic-lined version for the application in the drinking water. And for valves, of course, valves is an important range for waterworks. And starting from 2013, we started to manufacture the water valves. And in all these years, we have managed gradually to expand our product ranges like gate valves, butterfly valves, check valves, strainers, hydraulic control valves, all the different valves required for the waterworks system application. I think there's nipples and couplings, stainless steel fittings, seismic support and hangers. And for these two products, I want to see something more. See, a lot of our customers are not yet familiar with these products, as these are new items into our range. Because last year, we have acquired a new factory called Achong in Shenzhen. And Achong, this company, they specialized in the production of stainless steel products. And one of them is stainless steel fittings and seismic support and hangers. So this means new strength or new products into this product range for us. And then there's the spiral welded pipes from our sister company, Meg Piping, and the plastic lined pipes from Meg Piping. And for the plastic pipes, we are supplying in large quantity here for drinking water applications for domestic market and also for export market. And this one, the expansion joint, this is newly added to our range this year, and this is now produced by our Meidegroup company. So all these products, I'm not sure how many of these products are currently already in your range. But I hope that with my introduction today, so you know that we have now more extensive range for the waterworks application. And this can help your sales in the waterworks. See, here, at least I know that we are working extensively with the water companies here in China. There are national water companies like China Water, like Guangdong Water. There are also a lot of other provincial or regional, local water companies that we work with. I think now, looking at all these cooperating partners, our friends might have, some friends might have want to ask me one question: why there are only domestic water companies that showed here? Why there's no water companies overseas? That means that Meidegroup currently is not supplying to the waterworks system for overseas market? Of course not. For overseas, because we're not working directly with the water companies. And that's actually one of the reasons why I made this presentation today, because I want our customer to know that now Meidegroup Casting is capable to offer a full extensive range of products for the waterworks application. And I hope that this can help you to promote our products more into the waterworks system. Okay. So that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and wish you all the success in your business and all the best in your life. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, hello these honored group partners and friends in the world. This is came here, come from Asia Pacific area. Okay, today I will introduce the gas system of achievement and the products of Meidegroup. Okay, as we all know, our products can use in different fields like fire protection, and water works, and the power transmission, and the gas system. My presentation can have 6 parts. The first one is gas industry future. The second one is gas system formation. And the third one is gas transmission and distribution network system. The fourth one is the made gas products introduction, and the global achievements in gas field, and the global gas partners. Okay, the world will consume more energies, need a safe, clean, reliable, affordable energy, and even the significant efficiency gains. Global energy demand will likely increase nearly 25% by 2040, driven largely by the developing nations. Renewable and nuclear energy will see strong growth, contributing close to 40% of incremental energy supplies to meet the latter demand growth. Oil and natural gas continue to supply about 55% of the world's energy needs through 2040. Natural gas demands rise the most, largely to help meet the increasing needs for the electricity and the support increasing industrial demands. We can see from this chart, in 2016, and 2040, you can compare the red one. The red one is the natural gas. During these 4 years, the natural gas increased a lot, greatly. By 2040, world population is expected to reach 9.2 billion people from the currently 7.4 billion today. We can see from this chart, in Asia Pacific and the Europe, the yellow one means the consumption increase. You can see these 2 parts, it's natural gas consumption increase greatly. With the global natural gas demand likely raised by 50% by 2040, supply in the market will be a challenge. Most of the natural gas will be shipped via the large regional pipeline networks. The gas pipes and the pipe fittings will also expect to high-speed increase in not far future. We can see from this picture shows in different fields, we need a lot of natural gas. In the residential and commercial consumption region, in the industrial industry, in electricity generation, and in transportation, the traditional transportation domains. Next part, I will introduce the gas system formations. First is the gas station system include gas checking, filtration, pressure adjustment and monitor, gas metering device, and pipe picking devices. All these devices we can see combined in these pictures. Next one, I will introduce the gas storage system. This picture showed on-ground system, but some countries most adopt the underground system for better safety. Next one, we'll introduce the gas metering system, include the gas regulator, gas filtrator, and meters, and the control system. This part, I will let you know the gas transmission and distribution picking system. From the gas source, then after the gas extracted from underground, then transmitted to the gas processing plant. In this plant, we will delete some of the impurities and some others. Then transmit to the piping network, then to the pressure device, increase the pressure. Then finally to our customer, like the gas companies. In this here, gas company will distribute the gas to the electricity plant, factory users like us, and to the vehicles, most vehicles in the city, and the other consumer users like stores, boutiques. Okay, finally, like final users indoors will use the indoor monitoring system. Okay, in case the leakage happen, then the alarm device will alarm the users, customers. Okay, in case any dangers happened. You can see some countries maybe still use welded pipe, but most countries already adopt our products like Meidegroup fittings to connect pipelines. Okay, here is the brass valve, also is an important device in the gas system. Now, I want to know the gas transmission and distribution network system have different levels. Okay, first one, as we can introduce the low pressure level. The pressure is lower than 0.01 megapascal. The medium pressure pipeline grade A is between 0.2 to 0.4 megapascal, and the grade B is between 0.01 to 0.02 megapascal, and the medium pressure pipe, also a high pressure pipe, grade A, from 2.5 to 4.0, and the grade B from 1.6 to 2.5 megapascal. A and B represent different kind of diameters of the pipelines. Different countries have their own national standards. Okay, this picture shows the high pressure pipelines. High pressure pipelines should meet the specific national oil and gas industry transmission steel pipe technique conditions specifications. Okay. The second one, this is the sub-high pressure gas pipelines. Okay, the pipeline and the accessory should meet the material requirements of a high pressure gas pipelines. Second, the steel pipe should be used to have sub-high pressure gas pipelines, and their pipes and accessories should meet the requirements of a national standard. But the minimal wall thickness should not be less than the minimum of nominal wall thickness of steel gas pipelines. Some countries use the PVC material replace the steel pipelines. As I know, in some South Asia countries like India, Pakistan, they use the PVC pipes for the cost concern. Next one, I will introduce the medium and the low pressure gas pipelines and the definition of a medium and low pressure pipeline. Low medium pressure pipeline refer to the introduction from the urban gas pipelines network to the buried pipeline in the country yard of the community through the residential gas pressure regulator here to the gas meter and to the household pipelines. Finally, connected to the gas appliances such as gas stoves, water heaters, and grills. Okay, then next one is the steel pipe should be galvanized, and steel pipes or seamless pipes. This picture will show some products. Okay, the pipe fittings